If you could tell us, what are some things that mentors can do to really help mentees prepare for this transition?
I think for mentors to help mentees prepare for this transition, there are three critically important things. One is to talk about it. We can't brush this under the rug. So helping people recognize, yep, you're having a fight or flight response reaction to this transition. Let's think about that. Let's unearth those emotions and talk through how to manage them. How can we best, express them, alleviate them when needed, and use them to move forward. A second thing I think is to really take that long view and plan for that transition. So as a mentee, you're often really in the weeds of thinking about, getting individual papers out, getting projects done. So I think a critical role of the mentor is sort of to pull you out of the weeds and really see the trees and the forest and really get that 30,000-foot view of, okay, here's your kind of 3 to 5 year timeline. You want to be funded on 1 or 2 R01s at this point. So therefore we need to be writing them and submitting them at this point. And what prelim data do you need? So really kind of mapping out those goals and then backing into the projects that need to be happening earlier to get to that point to meet those milestones, and being very strategic and explicit about that. So I think, as a mentee, we often early in our career, we're like hungry. We don't need a commitment device necessarily, but we need to know how to focus those energies so that they really are building out that trajectory of work to meet those milestones down the line. And then I think the last piece is that emotional intelligence piece of just embracing it, of recognizing that, yes, this is scary, but it's an opportunity. So you feel this sense of fear, but if we can harness that energy and apply it in the right way, you're moving towards getting promotion. You can be thinking about taking on leadership roles. We can think about moving from individual projects to maybe thinking about statewide, national, international work. So leveraging the skill set that you've built in the first few years of your career and really thinking about much bigger types of impact. So I think that's a critical role the mentor plays, is in reframing and helping bring the mentee back to this growth mindset of, sure, you're going to make mistakes, like you're trying new things, you're taking on new roles, but you're going to be great at this. You have all the skills you need to make a big impact. So let's dive in and get started.